Oh my god. Ooh. I have a problem. Wow. I like it. You guys, first of all, hi, happy new... Oh, this is not my first video. Anyways, I have more skincare. I have said this before. I have depression. Haha, I know. Whatever. Sometimes one thing works, and it's consumption and capitalism. I'm sorry for being so weird today. Ooh, this is actually from Black Friday, and that's why I bought so many things. It's $300 in total. This is the second of 3 packages. First package, second package, and then third package. Let's start. Oh, this is, I can use this for therapy, and then I can just be like, it doesn't work. Anyways, I have this. I'm really looking forward to this. This is a 500 milliliter bottle or refill. Is this Kumano 𝐭𝐭Z𝐬𝐬? But the active ingredient is called hatomugi. Anyways, this is a moisturizing and conditioning essence, fluid, water, toner, lotion kind of thing. It's a very Japanese Asian skincare way of treating acne, which is not treating aggressively, but preventing, very gentle. This main ingredient being hatomugi extract, which is the same as quick seed or job's tears. Why do I know that? Because I watch every video from Tina Harris, who is like my skincare idol. She introduced me to Japanese skincare, so arigatou gozaimashita, Tina-san. This was so cheap, like $6 for 500 milliliters. Europe and America could never, ever. Oh my god, this is the next product from the same line. Hatomugi. This is a tone-up sunscreen made in Japan. This is a thing from Japan that's not the nicest, but they wrap everything 5 million times. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, it was so cheap. Wow, it smells like cosmetics. Thank you. Ooh, trial Sarwasu Korean skincare for my mother in her birthday. Thank you. Oh! You know what this is. This is my favorite serum that I ever tried. And I was like, for Black Friday, I better stock up. And then I was like, let's do another one. It's galactomyces bifida. It will change your life or your skin. Maybe not. It didn't cure my depression, but it did everything else. So... Oh, this is a freebie. This is the Beauty of Joseon Light On Serum Centella plus Vitamin C. Yeah, I don't need to tell you that this has an amazing texture. I mean, it's a Korean serum. Centella plus Vitamin C, I mean, that's quite the combo, am I right? I don't know if I would have bought this, probably not, because I didn't buy it, it was a freebie. Ha! Ooh. You know, one of my favorite sunscreens is the Isntree sunscreen. In that same line, they also have a gel moisturizer. So this was a freebie as well. It was part of the Black Friday package. It's a lightweight moisturizer. I need lightweight moisturizers because sometimes I skip moisturizers because I wear so much sunscreen. But according to Tina Harris, you always need to wear moisturizer. No way. So, speaking of cheap hatomugi, this is the OG Japanese hatomugi product. It is the Naturie hatomugi skin conditioner. It's basically like this, but from the OG brand, which is Naturie. These are 2 different companies, believe it or not, even though they look similar. This is one company and this is the other, and they make it look similar. I liked this, but it had alcohol. It wasn't good for my eyes, and now they renewed the formula, and they don't have alcohol anymore, and they have higher concentration of hatomugi. Because this is new, this was for some reason like more expensive. This wasn't $6 or $7 on Stylevana. This was $12, $17. I paid too much money, to be honest. And now I can try it out. Oh, and I have another freebie. Thank you, Tokobo. Never tried them. Hahaha. That was it. Stay tuned, bitch. Now this is how you know you have a skincare problem. The people at Stylevana were probably like, I need to take my microwave packaging from home, give it to this John Doe person for his huge Stylevana order. I have a problem. So this is the Senka Perfect Whip. Senka is the same company as Shiseido. It's a cheaper subsidiary and they make whipped cleansers. So this is a facial cleanser. I want to try this out. And I picked this one because it has collagen. It does contain alcohol. They make the #1 Japanese cleanser. Same line, it's just blue. It's the basic one without collagen. I am interested. Because it was so cheap, I have another one of these. I have 2. 1 liter. No, I have one and a half. Remember when I talked about this? So this is one of my favorite toners because it has tranexamic acid. It's just hydrating, but it also helps up against hyperpigmentation. Yes, it says whitening, but it's brightening. Okay, refills. That's nice. I guess Japan is learning about better handling their packaging waste. Even though when people talk about like the planet and stuff, they're always like, oh my god, straws and packaging waste and plastic. It's maybe we should also focus on the carbon emissions, you know. Wait, this is what the people were intending. I'm just gonna cut it open. Yeah, wow, fun. Oh my goodness. Skin Aqua UV Super Moisture Gel. I already tried this one and it was one of my favorite SPFs that I've ever tried, but it wasn't it wasn't waterproof, I believe. And so I think this, I hope it's still as lightweight and as non-sticky as this one. Comparison. Okay, the white one feels slightly lighter. Yeah, and the gold one feels slightly thicker, but still so, it's gone. Why are we in Europe and in America going to our drugstores being like, I can't find something? Just go on the internet. Go buy something from Korea or Japan or La Roche-Posay. By the way, why are there so many people who say La Roche-Posay? La Roche-Posay is like a cockroach. Oh, I forgot that I bought this. This is the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water. It's like a nice toner and it has ginseng. Ginseng is one of the oldest, culturally loved, promoted, nurtured Korean natural skincare ingredients. The Monodist has a great video on it. Check it out after this video. And so you can just put it on your face and like, yeah, ha ha ha. What's this? Oh, the Mary&May lotion containing vitamin C and bifida. I was like, wait a minute, there's a product which contains vitamin C and a fermented ingredient similar to this one, but I really didn't like this product from whatever. But then this one came along and I was like, let's buy it. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like a mom doing laundry. Oh my god, yes, this has pure vitamin C in its ingredient list. So not a stupid derivative, it has L-ascorbic acid. Oh, again, Sarasu for my mother. Oh, again, Kumano Cosme facial foam, cleansing foam. It was very cheap and it has hatomugi in it and it's a facial cleanser. Oh, hello. When I saw this, I was like, wait a minute. This is an affordable sunscreen from Japan with Japan lightness, but it has 220 grams of product for like $14 and it's well reviewed SPF 50 plus PA++++ without alcohol, waterproof. This better be good. I was like, this is one of the products that I'm most hyped about. It does disappear after a few rubs. Yeah, great deal. What's this? Oh, it's again Sarasu Gentle Foam Cleanser for my mother. I bought her these Sarasu items, but they're all small. I buy these huge amounts of skincare for me, but my mom only gets small ones. Haha. But no. Oh, then again, from the same line, which I love, this product, also a toner. It has a vitamin C derivative. I don't know which one. So as I talked about, this is a toner water essence conditioner, and this is its emulsion milk type of companion product. I should say this is a very often bought product from the Japanese skincare market. And as you can see, that's lightweight. Another moisturizing product that's lightweight. Thank you. The sun is about to go down. This is Kose Softimo. It's the white cleansing oil. I've never really tried a cleansing oil, and so I wanted wanted to try one from Kose, but not this one, which is like the very famous one. This apparently cleanses better. I think I wanted this one at first, but then the price hiked up and then I took the white one. So I'm hoping I'm gonna like this. Oh, another uncut Kose product. The last time I had a haul, I bought this, which I really loved, and now I want to try this. In Japanese sunscreen, there's often a gel and then there's a essence. Same with the Biore one, and so I like it. This is also super waterproof, SPF 50+, PA+++++. Another one of my faves. I tried this a long time ago. It is the Cosrx galactomyces essence. This, when I was with my parents, I actually bought one there because I couldn't wait. This is the same product, and now I have 3 bottles, and you can like mix it well. I really like this product because galactomyces makes my skin soft. Oh, remember when I talked about a Japanese skincare company, Shiseido, having a cleansing foam with collagen? Well, this is the same. It's just from another company, Kose. Now this, I've seen so much about this and I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try. Centella, oh, this looks beautiful out of the bottle. Centella Asiatica ampoule from 𝐭𝐵𝐻𝐸𝐿 Skin 1004. I've tried the toner version, I didn't really like it, but a lot of people love this. So I was like, maybe the toner is just not it. I like the main like advertised ability for Centella Asiatica is to soothe and calm down skin. Oh, my first Round Lab product, the Mugwort Calming Soothing Gel. It's another moisturizing ingredient or product, but it's a gel consistency, which means it's lightweight. Oh, feels like a serum. Beautiful. I mean, what can I say? These all have such elegant formulas. I'm not surprised, bitch. And neither are you. Haru Haru Wonder. So this is the unfragranced version of their rice toner. I hope I like this. Rice has some great benefits for the skin. There's multiple emotions right now. It's like I'm exhausted because I have depression, but I'm also happy that I can play with my skincare now because I waited for this for 2 months. And then also like, did I just buy so much skincare? Did I really do this? That being said, this was a very calculated purchase. You don't need to be afraid that I'm like compulsorily shopping things at the moment. I will get back to that at the end of this video. Oh, another Round Lab product. They make a toner and they also made a trial 100 milliliter toner. Is this really 100 milliliters? Apparently, according to the package. Yeah, apparently this comes from a special island near South Korea, close to North Korea. Maybe I'm also mismemorizing things. Oh, this looks familiar. This also looks familiar. So because I have 2 different orders, I got multiple freebies. So now I have 4 products that I gotten for free because I spent so much money. Oh, Torriden. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is, I think, one of the best-selling Korean hyaluronic acid serums, but apparently this goes very deep into your skin. This dives into your skin like a pool. That's why it's called diving, ha ha ha. Sometimes I have dryness wrinkles, and I'm like, maybe this helps. The way at least that this was marketed to me was like, this isn't just an ordinary hyaluronic acid serum. It has multiple hyaluronic acid weights. Oh, yes, this is Some by Me, the brand that I was not too happy about last time. But I was like, maybe I'm gonna try it again. Similar to vitamin C, another antioxidant brightening product or ingredient is 𝐬𝐤𝐬 from the 𝐬𝐤𝐬 fruits. This is the toner, the serum, the cream, and the cleanser. Ooh. This looks very close to this. What is this? This is the toner. I already talked about this, and this is the emulsion. Oh, beautiful texture once again. And so this is like a tranexamic acid emulsion lotion / moisturizing lotion. Thank you. I like it. I like the concept. I like this. Oh, another hatomugi product. This is a medicated milky lotion, 300 milliliters. Thank you very much. Oh, how do I This is another one. This is the best value sunscreen. You came here for the sunscreen, didn't you? SPF is so important. Why am I screaming at you? I'm sorry. SPF is the most important thing in skincare, and so this company, it's Kumano Cosme, make the sunscreen, and this is 250 milliliters, and it's under $10 on Stylevana. So it's like, this is crazy value, and it feels again super lightweight. We're coming to an end, you guys. This again for my mom, again for my mom, again for my mom, again solicit for my mom. And then also a Purito freebie. And that's it. I very much enjoyed it, but I'm crazy in the mind because I need help, obviously. Hello, it's 7 a.m. Well, I wanted to try on some of the skincare I unboxed yesterday. Oh, I forgot to say something. A quick word of honesty. Of course, on YouTube and my personality, it's kind of like over-exaggerated, but to kind of bring it down a few notches, consuming things and buying things in bulk is not a real therapeutic approach against mental illness. And then also, I went to work for this. I remember making decisions about, do I want to buy this on Black Friday when it's cheaper, and then I have for my YouTube channel. So there is some planning to it, and what am I trying to say? I'm not 100% crazy. Part of this is strategy, okay? And the fact that you have watched this video up until now proves that this was the correct decision to buy these products. So I'm basically trying to justify myself for spending $300 on skincare when no one accused me of doing anything wrong, okay? So again, I'm just fighting against myself, and I'm sorry for wasting your time and coming at you. Honestly, I'm very surprised. No real outlier. I loved every product. This smells a bit weird. I think I like everything. All of these 15-20 layers feel the same as like one layer of this sunscreen from Garnier. It's the Japanese and Koreans who know how to make elegant formulas. And I know how to make elegant YouTube videos. Am I right? Anyways, have a good day. Thank you, goodbye, and thanks for the memories.